The summit's got lots of value in terms of making connections. So I've already had a few conversations with new contacts that I've not known previously to understand a little bit more about their businesses and what problems and solutions they're looking for. But also it takes place in some beautiful surroundings. So it's been a pleasure to travel over here, have a wonderful view of the lake, while getting to know a little bit more about the various businesses that all have quite similar, ultimately, challenges that they're trying to solve. So it sort of creates a community where you're discussing relevant topics, and lots of the issues are pertinent to multiple members who attend.
I get to be in a beautiful place. I get to meet a lot of very nice people and learn on innovation topics. Coming from a creative background, always trying to find other voices, other opportunities to increase the power of our brand. So that's what I'm finding here, yeah, and having a great time as well.